We did the oil change with the 9K fucking rev limiter. Whoops. Needless to say, my teaching skills weren't that good that night, I don't think.
I understood.
You know, Scott, John, that's why I got you as a best friend, you know? I always doubt myself. I thought I was pretty crystal clear, but to be fair, it was my boy's first time. I don't see no Earl. Still a little dirty. Jose, you are more than welcome to grab you a fucking towel in a moment. Oh.
Not brake cleaner, towel. Big difference.
Or that pig mat. That pig mat is a really good towel. Okay, we're all gonna aim this shit at.
Not towards me.
Yo.
Oh, Fiona. I think we should call her a different name now.
Yeah, Socia.
Or bitch Fiona.
Yeah, that's what that is. Or it's not a bitch. It's more like a slut or like a hoe.
Or see you on Tuesday.
Yeah, we did say see you on Tuesday, didn't we?
Yep.
Even though that's pretty much this car's. Say, watch your eyeballs now.
I have glasses, so it's fine.
Oh, that's right. You come from the factory with fucking windshields, don't you? Oh yeah, my man. Lucky bitch. He is from the factory that ways, boys.
So
Factory dealer option installed.
well, your cutouts for your turbos right here. The old ones.
God, there's so much oil on that header, it's like stained it brown. Oh, dang. Just gonna let this drip for a minute. I really don't feel like fucking. Let that drip for a second.
Is it supposed to be brown?
I mean, engine Earl's definitely supposed to be that color. Almost dropped shit. Almost dropped shit. Again, remember, Jose, this shit happens again. I'm gonna let it burn. I will let it catch itself on fire.
Okay.
He said, deal. Man, so one thing about freaking these damn belly trays, man, they fucking hold so much oil, fluids and shit. I'm gonna need a shower after this crap.
So I'm assuming Weedle is not coming?
He, I think, had to do shit to him. I'm not mistaken. Actually gotta call him about some shit. Because we had 1,000 subs, guys! Look at that. See, this was actually the all-planned video that we were supposed to do. If y'all go back this way, that video right here, yeah, that's...
It rubs.
Brother,
Oh, it rubs. That's what I'm not gonna do, man. This is a fucking house of horse. 91, 93.
It's a pump.
Yeah. 84.
Don't even get me started, Sean. Do it live, fuck it.
Yeah.
You see no big ball of smoke back there. I think we're doing good. Oil pressure's looking good, boys. Nice.
I feel it getting
Looking
loose.
good.
I felt it getting loose at the end.
I don't see no big clouds of smoke and
No smell.
no smell, no stanky. Oil pressure staying spec. I hate the damn bumps.
Yeah. So, what RPM did you shift at?
That time we played it safe and went to 77.
Okay, so I would just say keep it under.
Yeah.
Hey, right when you're revving the shit out of it.
Fuck you. Still love the way they handle it. I gotta
Dude,
give it
it's
that.
so fucking good.
Yeah, boy.
Cause we had 1,000 subs, guys. Guess what we came home with?
No oil.
Our own fucking oil. We actually were able to transport oil from in the car to other locations. Can you believe that shit? Grab third gear.
Probably. Is it dead?
No.
Oh, well, it's dead.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for that 1-2 shit there in the Burnout. That's pretty dope, huh?
Yeah.
He's just a driver. I can also play pool pretty good too. Well, guys, again, today's video was about the 1,000 subs. Couldn't have done that without y'all guys getting the attention to the channel. A little bit of a thank you from me to Jose, from Jose to me to y'all to tell y'all thanks for the 1,000 subs. Hope you enjoyed us beating the ever-loving hell out of this $80,000 car. If this video gets 150 likes,
500.
no, if this video gets 350 likes, 350 likes, we're gonna pull out another Shelby, the one that I actually like of Jose's vehicles, and it's not that one. Not that one, no. It's actually a real GT 500, an actual real Shelby in my opinion. So this video gets 350 likes for the 350 bastard child. We will pull that car to the channel and we will go do some fun shit with it. See y'all guys in the next one, peace.